Okay, my name's Alex Mitchell. I'm in Lavallette, New Jersey. It is December the 27th of 2010, and there was a blizzard last night, and it's still slightly going. And I'm just going to give you a little shot of what's outside my windows so you can see. It's actually unbelievable. So if you look outside here, once the camera gets focused, you can see right across there and right about there, that's about 5.5 feet of snow. There, this is New Jersey. This is ridiculous. Okay, now, if you follow me outside of my room, over to here, see if I open this window, actually there's snow piled up the window. Look, actually out there, that's taller than me. That's got to be about 6 feet. About 6 feet of snow. Out this window, you can't see. It's completely covered with snow. This window, completely covered with snow. This window, I'm literally snowed into my house right now. See out the door, oh wow, it's really bright, sorry. Out the door you can actually see, and I'll just give you one last image. This is my driveway out here, and you can see that that's my car, completely covered. You can see over the top of my car just keeps going and almost covers that house next to me. So unbelievable, just unbelievable.